Hi everyone, it's me Daisy, your favorite Wall Street dog. And today we're going to talk about the investment strategy of buying Standard & Poor's 500 index. You might be wondering, what is this Standard & Poor's 500 index? Well, simply put, it's a stock market index that trades the performance of the 500 large cap companies listed on the US stock market. So why would you want to invest in this index instead of buying like individual stock? Well, let's dive in and find out. So guys, one of the primary benefits of investing in this index is diversification. When you buy the index, you're investing in a broad range of companies across different sectors, which spread out your risk. So this means if one or a few of the companies in the index do poorly, you won't have a significant impact on your investment overall. Another advantage is that it is easier and more cost-effective to invest in this index, Standard & Poor's 500, rather than to invest in individual stock. When you buy individually, you have to buy and sell for yourself. This can be time-consuming and, of course, expensive, especially if you're new to investing. With the Standard & Poor's 500 index, you can invest in all 500 companies at once without having to spend a lot of time or money on research. Well, now you might be wondering, how do you buy this index? Well, there are a few ways to do it, but one of the most popular and I might say easiest is through an exchange-traded fund. An ETF is a type of investment fund that trades like a stock on an exchange. When you buy a Standard & Poor's 500 ETF, you're essentially buying a basket of stocks that represent the company in the index. This allows you to easily invest in this index without having to buy and sell individual stock. So investing in this index is a great way for you to diversify your portfolio and just to simplify your investing strategy. It provides exposure to a wide range of companies across different sectors, making it relatively safe as an investment option. Additionally, it's easy and very cost-effective to invest in the index, especially through an ETF. So please do consider adding the Standard & Poor's 500 index to your investment portfolio and start enjoying the benefits that it has to offer. So that's it for today's video, guys, but if you want to see more of the Wall Street Dog, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And if you have any thoughts or comments, leave them down in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Wall Street Dog, and don't forget to invest wisely.